Hello everyone. My name is Anna. Today, I will tell you all about my morning routine. I will speak slowly, clearly, and simply so you can understand everything. This lesson is perfect for A1 English learners, beginners, and anyone who wants to learn easy English. Are you ready? Let's begin. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes I wake up a little early. Sometimes I wake up a little late. But most days, I wake up at 7 o'clock. My alarm clock rings. It makes a loud sound. It goes beep, beep, beep. When I hear the sound, I open my eyes. I turn off the alarm. I sit on my bed for a moment. I feel a little sleepy. I take a small breath. Then I smile and say, "Good morning, Anna." After I wake up, I get out of bed slowly. Some days, my body feels tired. Some days, my body feels fresh. But I always try to start the day with a positive feeling. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I move my shoulders. Stretching helps me feel ready for the day. It makes my body warm and comfortable. Next, I walk to the bathroom. The bathroom is usually quiet in the morning. First, I brush my teeth. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush. I brush my teeth for 1 or 2 minutes. Brushing makes my mouth clean. It makes me feel awake. Then, I wash my face with cold water. The cold water feels fresh. It helps me open my eyes more. It makes me feel bright and ready. Sometimes I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I say, "Today will be a good day." After I finish in the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is warm and comfortable. I like the kitchen in the morning. I make my breakfast. Breakfast is very important to me. It gives me energy. Most days I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit like an apple or a banana. Sometimes I eat a small bowl of cereal. But bread and eggs are my usual breakfast. I also drink a hot cup of tea. The tea is warm. The tea smells nice. I hold the cup in my hands. It makes me feel calm. It helps me start my day slowly and nicely. While I eat, I sometimes think about my day. What will I do today? Where will I go? What things do I need? Breakfast time helps me plan my day. After breakfast, I go to my room. I choose my clothes for the day. Most days I wear jeans. I also wear a simple shirt. If the weather is cold, I wear a sweater too. If the weather is warm, I wear lighter clothes. I like clothes that feel comfortable. I like simple colors. I don't spend too much time choosing clothes. I choose something easy and nice. Then I brush my hair. I make it look neat. I don't use many products. Just a brush is enough for me. Next, I check my bag. I want to make sure I have everything I need. I take my phone. I take my keys. I take my wallet. Sometimes I put a small snack in my bag. Sometimes I take a water bottle. I check my bag one more time. I don't want to forget anything. When I am ready, I put on my shoes. I wear simple shoes. They are comfortable for walking. Then I leave the house. I close the door behind me. I take a deep breath. The morning air feels fresh. I walk to the bus stop. I see other people walking too. Some people go to work. Some people go to school. Some people walk their dogs. The morning feels busy, but nice. I wait for the bus. Sometimes the bus comes fast. Sometimes I wait a little longer. But waiting is okay. I watch the cars. I look at the sky. I enjoy the morning. My simple morning routine. This is my morning routine. It is simple. It is easy. It helps me start my day calmly. Now you try. What about you? What do you do in the morning? Do you wake up early? Do you eat breakfast? Do you go to school or work? Tell me about your routine. I would love to know. Thank you for watching. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time. Bye.